ES2 config. It will try to get your ES2 config document library. But since when implementing this product, we have forgotten to create the ES2 config document library, this code fails. You got it right?
Yeah.
Immediately it will go to your catch block. Okay, it will go to your this block. Okay, and you write in your event log, library ES2 config could not be found in the site. Return false. It is very clear. Okay, so if somebody goes to the event log, he will see a very clear message that says library ES2 config could not be found in the site. So he clearly knows that, okay, we have implemented the product, okay, we have implemented everywhere, but we forgot to create ES2 config, and we forgot to put we forgot to create a ES2 config document library. Okay, it's clear till now, right?
Yeah.
So if you write this statement return false, your code ahead will not be executed. It will come out of this current method. Clear? Okay. So let us go to the next set of the code. Okay. So let me go to the top of the method once. Give me a second. So this method says SharePoint list. That is what this try catch block does. Okay. And next try catch block, what it does, it fetches the list item, that is the configuration.xml file. Clear?
Yeah.
Let us go through the code there. Your SP folder root. Okay, so now we have our document library stored in this object. Am I right?
Yeah.
Your document library can have multiple folders. Okay, so but it can have multiple folders. You can create folders in your document library. But we want your document, we are looking for a file in your document library itself, not under a particular folder, but in the top level of the document library. Okay, you got it right? So we say SP folder root folder is equal to your document library dot root folder. So this will ensure that you are in the root of your document library, just within your document library. You got it right?
Yeah.
Okay, now then your next sentence says root folder dot files of configuration.xml is equal to config file. Your config file I defined in the top, I showed you SP file, remember?
Yeah.
So your SP file config file is equal to root folder dot files of configuration file. Now for testing purpose I have written this write log file configuration.xml successfully found. Okay. Now if this sentence fails, now assume that you have your site. You have created a document library called ES2 config. But now you have forgotten to put your configuration.xml file. You have created your document library, but you have forgotten to put your configuration.xml file. You have forgotten to upload or create a configuration.xml file. So when this code executes, it will find your current site, it will find your document library, but it is unable to find your configuration.xml file. So it will go to this exception, catch block, and it will return false. The code ahead will not execute. Clear?
Okay, yeah.
If you have any doubts, please ask me. I just want you to understand it, understand the logic and just see. It may not be very easy to understand in the first, because you have not even looked into the code. It is not easy to understand, okay? But at least, I just want you to look at how the code looks and how neat you should write your code in the future. That's something which is very important, okay? And also, I want you to give importance on the error handling, so how you can catch